Hi, I'm Mick Guinea, Chairman and CEO of the Electronics Group. With its origins going back to 1963 and ever present in Shannon since then, it could be said that we have proven our sustainability as a business. But worldwide sustainability agenda has now rightly focused on the planet and climate change. And given the number of natural disasters throughout the world this year already, this urgency for action has never been so obvious. Thus, I have set the Electronics Group the ambitious target of being net carbon neutral by 2030. In some ways, this can be seen as a daunting task. However, I believe it's not only achievable, but it's also an essential contribution by this business to the preservation of the planet for future generations. Thus, we will be focusing on identification and reduction of carbon emission sources throughout the business, from the design of our products to how we manufacture, where we source our components, our energy efficiency, transportation and travel, and waste management. We can and must reduce the greenhouse gas impact of our business. But sustainability is not solely about the environment. It's also about social equity and economic development. Hence, we will be critiquing all aspects of the EI Electronics Group as a workplace: diversity and inclusion, learning and development, governance, ethical business conduct, etc. And we will be exploring more ways in which we can benefit the communities in which we do business, something which has always been part of our business philosophy.
The packaging that our suppliers use to transport our raw materials into EI make up a large percentage of what we send to landfill and that we recycle every year. So the objective is really to use the minimum amount of packaging to maximise protection. We hope to award a green pass to our suppliers that reduce as much packaging as possible. Sustainable packaging is our future, and the purchasing materials department are very, very much a part of that.
Our suppliers span the globe, and we've been dealing with a lot of them for many, many years. So our challenge now is to reduce our carbon footprint. And we can do that by working with our suppliers. We can reduce the amount of air freight we use. We can reduce the amount of packaging that comes in on our components and the packaging that goes out to our customers. And we can also, where possible, buy local. That's good for the community, and it's good for our employees who live in the community. I think the key part of this process is to ensure that we assist our suppliers to also reduce their carbon footprint, because the goal of the project is to reduce carbon footprint through the whole supply chain. All this can be done in a very ethical way, and the hardest part of this process was to start, and I think we've made a very good start.
Product packaging is currently and will remain a necessary part of our product. However, I believe we are all convinced we can do more to significantly reduce both the amount and type of packaging we use in our finished product. We've already started to work with our current packaging suppliers to reduce the amount of plastic use and increase the amount of recyclable materials.
At our core, we are a proud Irish company, established and controlled here. In our long history, we have survived many a business storm, and owe our success to the resilience, dedication and skill of the people who have served the company. By default, we could be said to have proven our sustainability. We firmly believe that a company can only be sustainable in a fair and equal society. And in our almost 60-year history, we have lived by those principles. Our net carbon neutral by 2030 goal will be a focal point of our sustainability journey in the next 8 years. And I'm asking each and every one of you to play your part in making this happen.